So guys, now I'm going to Laos. And this is Jurassic Park.
Turn off your engine. Hey Hope, let's be go.
So guys, now I'm going to Laos. There's one more guy with me from France, like he's also going, Spain, Spain. He's also going with me. Bus 6. No ticket, directly sit. So we're gonna sit in directly bus number 6. Chiang Rai to Changkhon. Changkhon. Hello. Toward Laos.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. What's the time?
30 minutes.
Perfect. 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock is in 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay.
Back inside.
Back inside. How much the ticket is?
No, sorry. How much the ticket?
140 baht.
140 baht.
140 baht.
Okay.
Laos.
Laos.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा डिक्की खोले वो अच्छा यहाँ ऐसे फेंक देने क्या बैग
Outside, no?
यार लेट्स ड्रिंक सम कॉफी ये स्पॉन्ज की ब्रेड है इसे बर्तन माजू से खा जाऊँ So where's the light? Oh, here's the light. So guys, this is going to be my first ever border crossing. Bus ticket. Exited Thailand. Now we're gonna enter Laos.
Now we are nowhere.
Now we are nowhere. Middle of two borders and a river. उतार दिया है बस ने उतार दिया now we are officially in Laos. अब देने पड़ेंगे पैसे. So guys, after so much mathamari, I got the visa. $40. Only.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Like, subscribe and share.
Yeah! क्या बताएं भैया क्या बताएं Laos, like again Laos was asking me the return ticket blah blah and मतलब वही बाकी the other people like from other countries some of them has free visa they are not asking like where you go just asking how many days they are living but for me they are asking like where is your return ticket but I said ki I will cross to Vietnam and I'm here for only 10 days but I wrote 15 and they say are you sure I'm like, yes I'm sure and I'll cross the land border then they were asking do you have a flight like I crossed the land border guys no flights but eventually they took around $40 fees which is standard but if you guys check it on Instagram kya raha hu? On the site official site it says $50 but somehow they took only 40 which is fine and here I am now we are close to that crossing border and straight and we are looking for some bunker beds that we have so now guys I was in Hingyang and yeah Hingyang and now we are going to Luang Prabang by boat earlier I was going I was supposed to go by the bus like bus will take only 14 hours some breaks in between and you have a bed over there to sleep but then one guy met to me and he said hey, this is the ninth longest river in the world and that was attracts my interest. Now I will spending 2 days 1 night on boat. So the boat will go like 6 hours running, and then it will drop us to one place where we can stay for a night, and then again second day it goes like that, and third day in the morning we will reach there. चप्पल उतारने को बोल रहे हैं गाइस, ये चप्पल उतार के बैठो. This will cost you nearly $14.
Bless you.
So in this $14, only the ticket is included, the food is not included, you have to buy it, and on the board there's nothing much to eat, so it's always recommendable that you find something outside. This is a 2-day trip. You will make a lot of friends here who will cross Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam together. You will keep finding them.
जमीन पे चढ़ा दी
Smooth. So, day 1 of boat ride is done, and now we are at Park Beng. There are already hotels, and they know that travelers will come, so that's fine. They are everywhere, but the view is majestic. There's a Mekong Elephant Park also, and the river is coming from here. And we'll stay here for a night, and tomorrow we have to come back again here to take the same boat more forwards. Where are we going tomorrow? Park Beng, Long Prabang. No, that will be day after tomorrow. Or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
This tomorrow is Day Prabang and ended, right? Very good. So tomorrow will be Day Prabang. I'm very happy. I don't want to spend 3 days on boat. But the boat was very nice. The river flow is very calm, and I prefer boat. Earlier I was supposed to go by the bus, but I prefer boat now. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So day 2, hello guys, day 2 has started, and yesterday we have covered from the boat like 75 kilometers or so, and today also we are going to cover the same. And भाई चढ़ा दी थी मेरे को अभी ये इसको. One thing, every place our boat stops or pass by, there will be children from suddenly appear from the jungle. That you will see no shops, no roads, just children playing in mud, and they will always wave hands, which I really like. So friendly. Even the small kids over here, they all wave hands. So good.
Cheese and salad.
Cheese, vegetables, and make it hot. So abhi race lag rahi hai. Abhi, all the people on the boat, like on my boat, there was yesterday 2 boats. So all the people are running to get some food, the breakfast, and they will try to carry some lunch also. Yesterday I only had breakfast, and this look. कहाँ रख दिया? Not on that, not on. So there are 2 options: bus or this boat. Bus is really bad. All the roads are broken from border to Long Prabang. This is the best way to go. Kanchasina. Meet the national bike of Laos. Finally, I have reached Long Prabang. For 2 days, 6 hours drive every day, and then hotel. This is the second day actually. So it's a very nice trip. I recommend you guys, if you want, don't come with the bus. You can come with this. It's a lot of fun. A lot of interesting people you will meet on board. Happy journey. Now this journey has just started.